Hi guys, it's Eileen here and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I hope you hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would love to receive all your comments as well. So, I love wearing these kimonos. These are so fun to wear and they keep you cool but yet give you that little extra layer of protection when you get a little breeze, a little chill. So today I'm going to DIY my own kimono and show you guys my tutorial so you don't have any problems doing this on your own. So let's get started. So we're going to pretend that this is our fabric. We are going to fold that in half, turn it this way, then we're going to turn our fabric in half one more time. And then you're going to simply cut out your approximation of where your armhole will be. And you're going to open it up and you will be left with 2 layers of fabric. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that to my real fabric, and then you need to stitch along here and here. And that will be our very first set. So I'm going to go take care of that and I'll be back. So you see my fabric is laid out with my kimono I already have, and I'm going to cut down this way here, and then I'm going to stitch that up on both ends. I have my pattern piece already cut out. It basically looks just like this, 2 layers, and so I have right sides together, and now I'm going to stitch along here and there and repeat along this side and this side. Okay, so we're going to get to that and I will be right back. So I'm approaching the corner, so I'm going to go up to the corner and then I'm going to do just a back stitch, a couple stitches, go forward, real slow, and then I'm going to turn my fabric. That just reinforces that corner a little bit more. So I have here my piece. I have stitched up the arms and down the body. And it's 2 layers, so I have to now cut through the top. I've already drawn my line. So I'm going to just cut right down the middle. You just keep cutting straight down the middle. Kimonos are very forgiving, so don't worry if you feel like you're not doing it perfectly. We're going to hem up the sides here, the bottom, and around the armholes. So I have a really big secret that I would like to share with you, because when I found out about Wonder WashAway tape, I was very happy. This makes hemming a whole lot simpler. This is a 1/4 inch. I got this at JOANN's, and I do not believe they sell it at Michael's. I've already cut my strip. It's sticky on both sides. You simply place that along the edge of your fabric. I've already started doing so. That's why I'm working in the middle. And you peel off the backing of the tape here. And then you fold this over. And the purpose is to get this raw edge down in place, because we are going to want to fold this over again all the way through, so that that raw edge where you cut the fabric does not come through. So after you put the tape on, you're going to roll it over again, pin it all up, and you're going to sew. I recommend doing this along the bottom, the sleeves, and down the front of your kimono. I'm going to get to work with that, and I'll be back to show you the finished kimono. Kimono is finally done. I can't believe how fantastic it came out. It looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY on this simple kimono. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share your comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget, hit that bell icon for future notifications on my videos to come. Stay tuned for more. Bye.